In this video, you'll learn how to migrate your website to Hostinger in just a few minutes. Whether you're switching from another hosting platform or simply want to move your site to a more reliable service, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Start by opening your web browser and going to www.hostinger.com. Once the site loads, click the login button in the upper right corner. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to sign in. If you're new to Hostinger, you'll need to create an account first. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, and once done, you'll be ready to begin. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. This is the control center for your website, the place where you'll manage hosting, domains, emails, and all your site tools. From here, scroll through the options and find the website migration section. This is where you'll handle the process of transferring your existing website to Hostinger. Click on Website Migration and then select Migrate Website. Hostinger's migration tool is designed to make this process simple, even for beginners. Once you open it, you'll be prompted to provide some key details about your current hosting provider. This includes information such as your domain name, the existing hosting provider, and your login credentials for that account. Next, you'll choose which hosting plan you want to use on Hostinger. Click Select Hosting Plan and you'll see several options depending on your needs, from a basic shared plan ideal for small personal sites to more advanced plans for e-commerce or business projects. Take a moment to review each option and pick the one that aligns with your website's goals. After selecting a plan, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your migration request. Review all the details carefully before confirming, especially your domain and FTP credentials. Once submitted, the Hostinger migration team will start transferring your website files, databases, and configurations. While the migration tool does most of the work automatically, it's smart to back up your current website before beginning. This ensures your data is safe in case you need to restore anything later. If you run into any issues or aren't sure about a step, Hostinger's customer support team is available 24/7 through live chat and email. Depending on your site's size, the transfer can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once the migration is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message and your website will be fully functional on your new Hostinger hosting plan. That's it. You've successfully migrated your website to Hostinger. You now have a fast, secure, and reliable platform to continue growing your online presence. If this tutorial helped you, consider checking out more of our guides on website setup, optimization, and hosting management. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.